Sawadee khap, my farangutan friends and puan kuntai, and today we're going to Pilok. Stay tuned. So this is the bit where you carry on. If you want to go to the 3 pagoda pass, Kanchanaburi, how does that say it? You want to turn that way, down there. We are carrying on. We've never been this way before. Oh, it's exciting! She gets very excited, you know. Ooh, we're going across a bridge to the mountains. There's a river down there. This is what the bridge looks like crossing it. Go straight onto a roundabout. It's a magic roundabout. Magic. So on this trip there are 399 curves on the road. 399, I was told. So this is literally a cafe. That's a bus, isn't it? If you look there, you can see the mirror out the front. And there's the wheels. On the back of the bus there. And this is the view. Supercar, supercar. This is the wiggly bit we was on about, where this 399, oh, wild elephant sign there, 399 turns in the road. Like this. Oh dear. Oh dear. That's about enough of that. It's going to be a bit like this pretty much all the way now, I think. There's Google Maps. There's the reality. Ooh, blue sky. Somebody must have gone off the road there. Just joking. Or am I? The road is like. Let's have a look at the view. You can see the lake we was at before, having a drink down there. Yeah. Well, I'm impressed. I said I'm impressed. Oh Christ, I'm not impressed with that. Ooh. You can be very careful, watch where you're walking when you're vlogging. I wonder if these trees signify that you're at the top. I can't begin to tell you how steep this road is. Let's see if I can pull back so you can see. I don't know whether this is doing it any justice at all. You can't really tell because of the angle, but if I do that... Oh! It's very steep. We're on our way to see a waterfall. What's it called?
Jokkradin.
There you go.
Jokkradin.
Jokkradin. Namtok.
Jokkradin.
I can hear it, but we can't see it yet. I can hear it, but we can't see it yet. We can hear it, but we can't see it yet. I can hear them. Whatever they are. No rock lean the bridge. Bit of English there. No rock lean the bridge. I'm walking across now. Here we are, walking up to the waterfall, across a bridge. Some mermaids there. Wow. Very nice. Waterfall. The pony's covered in spray. This is what it looks like from the other point of view with all the tourists. fish attacking my feet. Probably can't see it through the waves, but I see them keep coming in and bombing my feet. Weirdos. Who's that trapping across my bridge? Let's get a shot of the other side, because we looked the other way before when we came up. Let's have a shot of this side of the bridge. Very nice. It's not actually far to the car park. I think it's, what did you say it was, 300 metres? 300 metres, not far. Here we go. Come on, supercar. Well, the Eagle has landed. We're here in E-tong. Would you like to see it? Let's swap the angle round. Ooh. Is it a hotel or a guest house? Guest house. The Broom Cafe and Room Guest House. This is the view from the window, balcony. I'm just going to pan round so you can see the room. There's a wheelbarrow because it would seem that half the building's still under construction. It's like carry on abroad. Let's have a look at the bathroom. $2,500, $1,500? 1,300 baht. Let's turn the lights off. And there you go. Right, we're just going to have a walkabout so you don't have to. Let's have a look. There's the main drag, as it were. As I probably pointed out, it's very noisy because they're actually still building the hotel. Check this out. Wheelbarrow, water tank. He's the owner, I think. Check this out. It's a long way down. There's the mountains. I think that's where they used to do the mining, if not mistaken. And steps. Is it really steep? Check this out when we go through. Lisa? Wow. You going that way or that way? Okay, I'll move out of the way. Don't go fast. Getting plastered. job will be getting up early. See, I wasn't joking when I said it was a building site. Main drag. This looks like an old railway bridge, this. Let's just have a look over the side. Oh yeah, there's a lizard on there eating the fish. Let me zoom in for you. My farangutans. Check him out there, cheeky cheeky. Surprised the birds don't come down and eat all that. So this is the thing. People write messages on a piece of wood and then they tie them onto this bridge. There's a lot of them, as you can see. Look at that. Is there any in English? Oh, Happy New Year 2024. I love you. Ellis and Jane top. There you go, there's the main drag that you get in all the pictures. Take a picture of it actually. Anything? Walk up here down there. Ooh. And Coke. Everybody's selling these lamps, aren't they? This video is not sponsored by Volkswagen. We're going up. So one of the things I should point out, that the main street that you just saw, which is next to the pond, is pretty much it. Once you go through this market and come out at the end, you can either turn left or right. It's like a back street, and that's it. There's 2 streets. That is I-tong, just 2 streets. Old traditional style there. Oh, there's a rabbit. That's where we've just been. Here we go, some old mine working things rusting away. So, in the 1940s, they started to mine for tin and tungsten. That's an old pump, by the way. An old petrol pump. And then in 1985, it became uneconomically viable to run the mine anymore, so it closed down. Looks like something out of Lord of the Rings, doesn't it? Quite a lot of them are full, even on a Thursday. Thursday the 4th, is it? Fish food there. It reminds me of a village pond in the UK. That's where we're staying. That building there. Where's our room? Oh, the woman up there, you can probably see her in the room. So our hotel was incredibly noisy, as you probably saw. They were doing a lot of building work there. But I think it's probably one of the best hotels to stay in. And this is why. Now, if you're on the other side of the pond, on that main street, you're basically looking at the hotel that we stayed in. But if you're in the hotel we stay in, you can see all the houses and all the buildings on the other side of the pond. In fact, you get a really good view of I-tong. So my recommendation would be to actually stay where we stayed if you want to get good photographs and good views of the city. I spent quite a lot of time sitting on the balcony and just watching the world go by. The very, very, very small world of I-tong. Beautiful flowers. This is where you wait for the, what is it, a songtao? Songtaos to take you around to all those places up there. 50 baht. 50 baht of fun, tourist pleasure, travelling around the town. Is it next year or opposite? Ooh. That way. The khap Pass. Let's go and have a look at Burma, shall we? So we're just going to go and have a look at Burma, as you do, and we're going through this pass. Little house in Burma. This is where they smuggle the contraband into Thailand. Are they in Burma now?
Yeah.
They're in Burma. Stop it. You're in Burma. Where's your papers? I think once you go through these rocks here, that's it. That's it. Literally, you're walking across the border. Well, at least I can say I've been to Burma now. How do you feel now you've been to another country? She's not that bothered. Going back across the international border. There you go. Back on the old bone shaker. Let's just show you what's to the left. You can actually see the border. Let me zoom in for you. That's where we were before, isn't it? And then this is what the view's like. Somebody's lit a fire over in Burma there. And there's the sun about to set. Here we go. Toilet. He's somebody. All right. Over. And up. And you can see the sunset again, same time tomorrow, on the same place. We do repeats. We're on all week. I was very impressed with E-tong. It's like nowhere else in Thailand. It really is unique. When the tin and tungsten mining industry collapsed, the houses basically were turned over for tourism, became guest houses. And it kind of works, I guess. It reminds me of some places in the UK that are very touristy and very small, very, very small hamlet. We call them hamlets, very small village with its little village pond there with the fish. But it works. And one of the things I really like are these lanterns, which is unique to this place, I believe. So you can buy a little lantern. It's to light your way at night when you're walking around. And that gives it a very Christmassy feel to me. I think it'd be a very nice place to come and stay at Christmas and enjoy the cool air up in the mountains.